Alden, put yours down. Okay, you put yours down, Jade, on top. Presley's next. Oh, it's getting taller. Good, stack it carefully. We don't want it to fall down. Look how tall the tower is, boys and girls. Good job. Tanim's turn. Don't make it fall down. Next, Anisha. Come on over, my friends. Come on over with your cookie. Oh, it's wobbling. Who's next? Kaylee, come on over. Let the people have a turn. Okay, Albrecht, come on over. Albrecht, come on over. Don't wiggle the table. Yep, Kaden, put yours down. Albrecht, put yours down. Let go. Let's see. Is it good? Oh, good job. Is anyone